This would be so beautiful with this shade, or with this shade. Hi everyone, I'm Roxette Arisa and you're watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY. So today we're gonna be talking about an exciting new 12-piece collection from MAC Cosmetics that's centered around late R&B icon Aaliyah. And this collection is amazing, so be sure to stick around to the end for a huge giveaway that makeup lovers, Aaliyah superfans, and basically anybody is going to be obsessed with. So everything from the collection is actually centered around, you know, Aaliyah's street style, her hometown, her nicknames, pretty much everything Aaliyah. So let's dive in and take a look at this 1 in a million collection. This is the eyeshadow palette in the collection. There are 9 shades in here and it's called the Age Ain't Nothing eyeshadow palette. Super cute. These shades are so beautiful. They can be used wet or dry and they're really nicely pigmented. Like you can see that they definitely have that pigment, and I always say when you can swatch a matte eyeshadow and it comes out creamy and opaque, that's when you know it has a good formula on it. And I love the shades that are in this palette actually. I like these shades specifically for smoky eyes, but there's also some really pretty like more neutral shades that you could totally create so many everyday looks with this palette. And I just think it's such a cute palette for traveling because it is pretty compact even though you do get 9 shades, so it's super duper pretty. There's also a beautiful bronzing powder. I actually really like the packaging as well, and the packaging is almost mirrored on the inside because you get Aaliyah's signature right there. So this is the Baby Girl bronzing powder. Baby Girl and Lily were actually Aaliyah's nicknames, so they had to incorporate that into some of the products. This is a really pretty golden shade and it does have soft pearl in it that just gives the skin, you know, a sheer natural flush of color, and it really helps to warm up and bronze the face. It also is a really pretty shade for just warming up the face all over, and for deeper complexions you could always use this as a bronzer topper to add a little bit more of shimmer and goldenness to your look. There's also 4 different special edition lip glosses, and I feel like MAC is known for this iconic formula, so I'm so happy that they came out with some new shades to really spice it up for this Aaliyah collection. So the first shade is called At Your Best You Are, and it's a really pretty warm berry tone. I feel like I don't own any other shades like this, and it's just so beautiful. This could be so beautiful on so many different skin tones as well, whether you have a lighter complexion, a deeper complexion. This could really pop for anybody. And then the next one is actually my favorite out of the entire collection. It's called Brooklyn Born, and it's a sheer nude with a pearl finish. It's so beautiful. I've been wearing this color so often since I got it because it's just the most beautiful, almost like iridescent color, especially when you wear it over top of some of the lip products in here. This is the type of gloss that you can keep on hand in your purse and just use it over top of anything else or on its own. It's also really, really pretty. There's also a really pretty corally shade here. This one's called Lily's Motor City, and it's kind of like a coral, but it has a shimmery finish. So if you swatch it, I feel like this is like the perfect shade for summertime. I can just imagine like a bronze eye and this on the lips, super duper pretty. And then the last shade right here is called 1 in a Million, and this one is a deep, rich purple gloss. So it's probably the deepest of the shades, but still such a beautiful color to add to the collection. And something really cool about the collection is that Aaliyah's brother, Haughton, actually collaborated with MAC to bring this collection to life. So I feel like that's such a great way to put like a really special touch on these products. There's also 4 different lipsticks inside the collection, and they actually have 3 different finishes to them. So the first one, which is my personal favorite, is called Try Again. It's what I'm wearing on my lips right now, and it's like a muted beige. It is the most beautiful nude right now. If you guys love brown tone nudes like me, you guys are gonna love this color because, like I said, it's just so beautiful. I feel like it's the perfect like neutral brown. It goes with so many different makeup looks. I love pairing this lip color with like a smoky eye to give it like, you know, a tone down to the dramatic eye, but it's such a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful lip color. And then second off, we have More Than a Woman, which is kind of like a cool deep red, and this one has the amplified finish, so it has a little bit more of a sheen to it. It's slightly more on the sheer side, I would say, but it's still a really pretty color. I feel like this would be paired so beautifully with this gloss right in the center of the lips. And then moving on to the last two shades, Street Thing, which is actually a pure black, which I think is so unique and different and very consistent with Aaliyah's style. So this one has a slight shimmer to it, and like I said before, it is slightly more on the sheer side because this one has that frost finish that MAC is known for. And then finally we have Hot Like, which is an amplified cream lipstick, and this one is the perfect red. It's super duper pretty. It's like that perfect creamy fire red for your summertime needs. And these formulas are honestly very hydrating. They give great color payoff, and I'm a huge fan of all the shades. There's also two lip pencils inside of this collection. We have a pure black, which Aaliyah was definitely known for. It's such a cool shade, and I feel like this is so iconic for 90s makeup. So that one is Nevermore. And then we also have a red. Obviously, they had to include a classic red lip liner. So this one's called Follow Your Heart, and it's a bit more on the bright side. I feel like this would be so beautiful with this shade, or with this shade. So again, a very versatile lip pencil, and for sure, great quality. And guys, as always, you can find the collection on IPSY Shopper, and when you purchase it, you actually get 20% cash back, which is pretty insane, am I right? But if you wanna win the entire collection, yeah, that's right, this entire collection is in our giveaway today. All you have to do is tag a friend in the comment section letting us know why you love the MAC and Aaliyah collection. So that is all we have time for today, but make sure to tune in on Thursday because we're gonna be talking about all the beauty products that pack extreme hydration into the skin. So you're definitely not gonna wanna miss it. I'm Roxette Arisa, and thanks for watching This Week in Beauty with IPSY.